find human capital development. You find support for the vulnerable. You find support for our students. All those are in the upper drawer. The fact that we're here, we're also paying attention to infrastructure because it's a huge chunk. He's a leader with a global vision. If you look at the industrial revolutions we've had, look at America, the rail revolution, the road revolution, across the length and breadth of Europe. No country advances and develops without this kind of infrastructure. And you see the quality has gotten. We've seen the number of farming communities here. They will come to the farm with equipment, they will be able to take their goods out. The mere stretch that from here to Lagos, you're moving your tomatoes, you're cutting the trip when this road is complete by 65% in time. So, a holistic approach to development. That's what we're seeing under President Bola.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
How about,
We don't do that.
Chef shop. Okay.